Hello, welcome again to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here we have a Gen 4 Subaru Liberty sedan. It's the H6 3 litre automatic. Been caught in a hailstorm, so it's got a few dings and dents all over it, but some good pickings on it. We've got a good set of headlights, a front bar, wheels are scuffed up, there's a good left mirror, a pair of tail lights, a rear bar and tow bar, the boot garnish has got a little nick underneath, and we've got some beige, cream, tan, I'm not too sure what colour we want to call it, trim in there, leather trim as they are, a bit of wear there. It's got a good engine in it, and I'll just start it up for you and we'll get the kilometres. I'll turn that steering wheel so we can see what we're doing. There we go, we've got 159,812 Ks on it. Aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen unit, DVD player, sunroof. Pop the bonnet and get some compliance plate details. H6 DVD boxer. Okay, there we go, it's first 05. Got a strut brace in there too. Plate down here. And we'll go and get another one in a sec. Reasonably tidy car. There's another plate there. Alright, so this car's here for dismantling, so if you need any H6 parts, Outback, whatever, Liberty, give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus guys will help you out there. Alright, let me shut this down. Oh, look at that, STI. Alright now, thanks for watching and bye for now.